Ladies and gents, boys and girls, this is my carpet. And these are Holly Tyco connectors I tried to get the other day from MonkeyFab. I had considered making partial custom harness and screwing around, and I ran out of connectors. So I just wanted the main J1A and B connectors. And this is what I got from Mr. Monkey. I received quite a few things. So I figured I would show them off. First and foremost, look at all these fantastic little stickers. I can't wait to, I'm not sure exactly what they go on, maybe for heat shrink and loom and other things, but they're getting stuck on things. These are the Tyco pins. These are Tyco block offs. This is for a mass air meter. These are single pin Metropack. These are the zip ties that you can grab onto pinch welds and other surfaces. They are incredible. This is the same thing at another angle. This is a whole ton of crimpy boys. I'm not sure exactly what these are for. Again, the zip ties with the things on them. Braided sleeving, braided sleeving, braided sleeving, braided sleeving, braided sleeving. And then this is cool. This is an entire connector set of terminals and whatnot that he sells. Awesome stuff. I do use this stuff all the time, actually. So thanks for thinking of me and sending it for fun, Mike. And then in here is a ridiculous amount of different size heat shrink and whatnot. So much stuff. I don't want to dump it all out, but super duper incredibly appreciate this mic. As you know, I'll use it. And as you know, we will see it and we will buy it because you're the man. And that's that. So I wanted to show people all these quick goodies he sent me because I asked for some connectors. Enjoy. Give Mike a look on his YouTube, on his webpage. I have links below for a discount code for some of the items on his website also. Please enjoy. Okay, thanks. Bye.